Okay, today we're going to be replacing the shifter knob and boot and everything here on a 2011 Chevy Malibu. First thing that you're going to do, make sure you get you a set of these trim removers, so that way you don't mess anything up. You can start from this side right here, and you can just kind of like pry underneath here and kind of pop these up on the side until you loosen it up on both sides of it. It should pop out pretty easy. When you get it a little bit loose, then you can pull it up and just pull that out just like that right there. And then up on this side over here, you've got a cable. I can find it. So right over here you'll have a cable that connects in. It's what controls the lights for this here to light up. So just kind of give that part right there a little squeeze, pull down on it and pull that out of the way. And then that'll let you pull it out just a little bit further. So that way you can get back here and disconnect your cigarette lighter. So you just push in on this left side over here. Just give it a tug. Hit that. We have to grab it a different angle. Sorry, you can't see what's going on in there, but there you go. Just push that in, pull that out, and then you can pull this the rest of the way out away from your instrument panel here. And what this is going to do is it's going to let you get access into here, so that way you can lift this boot up right here. And then there is, I don't know if you can see that, let me get some light on that. There's a little Allen head key right there that you're going to have to loosen up. I'll be back after I do that. Alright, so what you're going to get is a T25 star head. Pop it in there and just loosen that bolt up, that nut up just a little bit here. I'll get it the rest of the way out here. Alrighty, once that bolt's out of there, and kind of lift this up and tilt it forward a little bit, so that way you can get down inside here. And there's a little wiring right here. You're just going to squeeze on that left side over there and pull that out. And then that will get you the rest of the way out of there. And just so you can see where I pulled that off of, it came out of that little connector right there. That right there is where that little T25 nut was connected to. And that's it. And now all we've got to do is we're gonna pop these 6 little clips here on the side, and you got one in the front here. We're gonna pop those out real quick, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so now we've got it all popped out, as you can see. And that's the old one. I'm replacing mine just because I don't like how it's looked. I've had it for a while, and I tried to clean it a few times. It ended up taking off that leather finish or whatever it was. So we're gonna install this brand new one in here, and you pretty much do this in the reverse steps. And when I get it all back in, I'll show you how it ends. All right, be right back. So I decided to hop back in here and let you know it is a little bit easier, I guess, if you make sure you pull this all out and everything else, push it down inside there. So that way it's easier to have access to once you get this all back in there. Alrighty, so let's go working through this. Alrighty, so we've got it started here. We got it pushed back down on. Now you gotta, takes a little bit of wiggling, but it'll get down on there. We've got our back clip over here clipped in, and we're starting to put that in right there. I started it by hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that down real quick, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we got that screw in there, and you're gonna make sure that shifter lifter is all the way down into the M position. It's a little bit easier to move this back down into position right here, and then we'll hook up the lighter, the charging port, I guess you could say, and then we'll rehook up the wiring over here for the illumination on your drive selectors. All right, go ahead and knock that out. All right, your final step is just to line these little points back up in here, push it up in there, and then just snap it back down in place, and then you're good to go. And that's it. So that's how you replace the shifter knob and boot on a 2011 Chevy Malibu. I hope this helps somebody. I searched the internet for a while and couldn't find a thing. All right, thanks for watching.